Hey, everyone. It's great to be back on NourishFare. After a little break, I'm excited to share more healthy and easy-to-make food ideas with you. Today, we're talking about something we all struggle with: healthy breakfasts when you're short on time. So here are 5 quick and delicious breakfast ideas you can make in under 5 minutes. Number 1. Overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. Prep it the night before, and in the morning, breakfast is ready to grab and go. Number 2. Banana peanut butter toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread peanut butter, and top with banana slices. It's packed with protein, potassium, and natural sweetness that keeps you full longer. Number 3. Veggie egg muffins. Whisk 2 eggs, toss in chopped veggies, and microwave for about 2 minutes. You've got yourself a mini veggie omelet. No pan, no mess. Number 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and mixed berries. It looks fancy, but it's ready in seconds and packed with protein and antioxidants. Number 5. Smoothie power cup. Blend banana, spinach, almond milk, and a spoon of peanut butter. It's creamy, filling, and perfect for those mornings when you're running late. Healthy mornings don't have to be complicated. If you found these ideas helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more easy, nourishing recipes every week on NourishFare.